Hey guys, Brentwood TN EAS here with some severe fucking weather coming. Weather radio says ping pong ball size hail. And y'all just missed it, but there was a big ass fucking lightning strike right there. It was clear as shit. Gonna see if we can't catch something on the camera for y'all, okay? We're at fucking Target. Oh my god, I got that on camera, y'all! Did y'all see that shit? What'd you say? Whoa! Oh my god! Fuck y'all! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Hey, y'all be safe. The radio is saying ping pong ball size hail. Yeah, be safe and get home and get your car under shelter. Right the fuck here. Thank you. Whoa! Kyla, fuck.
Keep me updated, Drew, but I'm gonna go grab a snack.
No, your ass is staying here with me because I'm starting to get freaked out myself.
Well, I'm hungry. I'll grab you.
You can wait, Kyla.
I just want some chocolate.
Kyla, please, I'm begging you, wait. Please. Wait until the storm is over. It's a small cell. Once it passes us, it'll be over, but it's about to get ugly, Kyla. It's about to get fucking ugly. I will give you $20 to shut up about it.
Okay. Until we leave.
Find it. Look at that shit. Oh my god, people are running like for their lives right now. Whoa!